Drones operate under a variety of forces. For example, we have wind forces, impact forces, grasping forces, or carrying forces. Here you can see examples of each. We quickly notice that each of these scenarios can be described by looking at the forces they exert on the drone. In summary, forces drive behavior, behaviors need to be validated. Current solutions are limited, as they are expensive, limited to a set area, and cannot control the exerted forces precisely. The goal of this work is to generate forces with a wide range of magnitudes and directions while minimizing the disturbance to the drone's normal behavior. Our approach works as follows. We attach a device to the drone known as a haptic suit. This suit is general and can be applied to a variety of drones. A controller module controls the motor angle and speed. Each arm can rotate independently, and they can maintain a set angle regardless of the drone's pose. Finally, there is a force to control module that takes a set of forces described by the user. These forces are converted into motor speeds and angles using a kinematic model we describe in the paper. Our study looked at 4 scenarios in the real world and using our haptic suit. The first was to carry different weights. Here you can see the drone, which was requested to hover on the blue line, carrying 100 grams, 200 grams, and 300 grams. This was repeated using a haptic suit, which generated a force of 1, 2, and 3 newtons. This shows both scenarios overlaid as well as the results discussed in the paper. Next, we tested the drone under wind. We used a fan blowing air with gusts of up to 3.5 meters per second, while the haptic suit generated a force that varied between 0.5 and 1 newton. Next, we tested the drone carrying weight at the end of a pendulum. In this scenario, the suit mimics the direction of the force based on the position of the drone. The final scenario was run outdoors, where we dropped a weight from the drone. In both cases, we show how the drone moves upwards as the weight is released or the haptic suit is suddenly turned off.